So here are two models. One has nice smooth surface and another one has visible issues after smoothing. Let's say somehow I want to transfer data from one model to another, given that their topology isn't the same and basically they choose two different models. But first of all, you need to align your models, so they need to be at exactly the same place, just like that. Then go to Mesh and select Transfer Attribute and click on the settings. You can click Edit Reset Settings to get default settings, and here you can choose what attribute you would like to transfer from one model to another. For example, let's try vertex normals for now, so I'll keep vertex normal on. Select your source model first, then your target model, and then click Apply. Now all the normal information from your source model transfer to your target model. As you can see, Maya didn't change the position of vertices, but it baked new normal data from other models, so it looks very different from what it was before. However, what if I only want to change the bottom part and I was happy with the top part because now it doesn't look right? Let's just undo that and do it again. But this time we'll select specific vertices that we want to change. First of all, you need to switch to wireframe because you will need to select hidden vertices behind the front mesh, and for some reason it only works in wireframe. If you try to hide mesh, it won't work. Then you need to select your source mesh first, and with shift you select your target mesh, and then with right mouse button on your target mesh you need to select vertex mode. And now you can select vertices that you want to adjust. Again, hold shift and click and drag with the lasso to select any amount of vertices that you want to change. You can also check in Outliner that both objects are selected. Click Apply. Let's switch back to Shaded and Object mode, and we can hide our source mesh. It all looks nice and smooth, and the top part is not affected. The only issue we have here is this sharp edge, but we can select it and just make it smooth, and it will fix that. Let's go back to object mode, and now we have a very nice smooth mesh underneath.